what is Vaishnava Ninda? In Chaitanya Bhagavata it says, Hena Vaishnava Ninda Kore Jai Jana Sei Paye Dukho Janma Jivana Marana Vidya Kula Tapasava Viphalataha Vaishnava Nindoi Jese Papi Duracha Puja Avatar Krishna Na Kore Grahan Vaishnaviri Ninda Kore Je Papistha Jana. Chaitanya Bhagavata Das Thakur has written that thing. If someone blasphemes such a Vaishnava, is a dear devotee, pure devotee of Lord Krishna, Sei Paye Dukho Janma Jivana Marana. Many lives he will get distress, go to hell and suffer there. Vidya Kula Tapasava Viphalataha Vaishnava Nindoi Jese Papi Duracha. He is a great sinful person, he is a great rascal, stupid, miscreant, who blasphemes such a Vaishnava. Vidya Kula Tapasava Viphalataha. If he has acquired some education, if he is born in an aristocratic family, if he has undergone some tapasya, become useless. You understand? He loses everything because of his offense at the lotus feet of Vaishnava. Puja Avatar Krishna Na Kori Grahan. Vaishnava Ninda Kore Je Papistha. If that person offer worship to Krishna, Krishna will never accept. Get offended. Offers worship to Krishna, Krishna will never accept his worship. Na Kore Vaishnava Ninda Kore Je Papistha. It is said, Sulapani Samajati Vaishnava Nindi Tathapya Nas Jai Vayasasthunte. Yaha Na Janyati Sujan Ninda Kore Janme Janme Se Papistha Daita Doshe Mare. One may be very powerful, like Sulapani means Shivaji. Do you understand? Sulapani means Shivaji. One may be very powerful, like Shivaji. Still, if a blasphemes a Vaishnava, he goes to hell. All Shastras say, Tathapya Nasda, he becomes destroyed. Yaha Nadanya, Je Sujan Ninda Kore, Janme Janme Se Papistha Daiva Dosha. If you cannot understand these things, still you blaspheme a Vaishnava, life after life, you'll go to hell and suffer there. Vaishnava, Mahaprabhu has said. Prabhu bole Vaishnava Nindoye Jai Jana Kushtha Rogoke Konata Shasti Likhana. Apato Shasti Ichu Yache Patra Ar Kota Ache Jamajatana Ar Patra Chorashi Sasya Jamajatana Patra Ke Punah Punah Kari Bhunji Vaishnava Nindake. This is Mahaprabhu's instruction. Vaishnava Nindoye Jai Jana Kushtha Roga. Mahaprabhu says, if someone blasphemes such a Vaishnava, he'll be affected with leprosy. Kushtha or Shasti, that is his punishment for him. Apapat Shasti Kicho Yache Matra. Arpatache. This is some little punishment that in this life he'll be affected with leprosy. But after death he'll go to hell and suffer there. Thousands of years, so many years. Jamajat, Torashi Sastra Jamajatana, 84,000 of types of hells. He'll go there and suffer there. Punah Punah Kari Bhunje, again and again, he'll go there and suffer there. Vaishnava Nindake. This is such dangerous. Skanda Puran says, Nindan Kurbanti Ji Mudha, Vaishnavana Mahapunam, Padanti Pitru Visardu Maharo Rosanti. Hanti Nindati Vaitosti Vaishnavana Avinandati. Krudhyati Jati No Harsam Darsani Patanani Sat. 6 types of persons. 6 types of persons. They fall down. First thing, Nindati, one who blasphemes a Vaishnava. Hanti, one who kills a Vaishnava by dosti. What do you say? One who speaks ill, develops enmity towards a Vaishnava. Vaishnava navinundati, seeing a Vaishnava, never offers respect, never pays obeisances. Krudhyati, one who gets angry with a Vaishnava. Jati no harsham, seeing a Vaishnava, one who doesn't becomes happy. These 6 types, Dasani, Patvatani, Sat, 6 type persons, they fall down. They fall down. Nindam kurbanti jai mudha, Vaishnavana mahatmanam, patanti pitru visartam maharoro sankite. The mudha, the rascals, those blasphemies of Vaishnava, they will go to hell with their all ancestors, Pitruvi. Yes, with all ancestors, Pitru, forefathers, they will all go Maharouravan, Narka. Skanda Puran says, yes. Not only that, if someone hears the Vaishnava Ninda, he also commits offense. Bhagavatam, 10th canto says, Vaishnava Ninda Sravanyapi dosutta. Nindam Bhagavata Srunan Tatparasya Dhanasya Va Tato Napiti Jasopi Datyadha Sukrutat Chivda Tato Apagamasta Samarthyasya Eva Samarthe Natu Nindaka Yoha Chittavya Tatrapya Samarthe Na Suprana Paritagati Kartavya. In Bhakti Sandarbha, Srila Jiva Goswami has quoted this. Vaishnava Ninda Sravanyapi dosauta. Don't hear Vaishnava Ninda, blasphemy of a Vaishnava. If someone is blaspheming Vaishnava, speaks ill of a Vaishnava, don't hear it. Don't hear it. The hearing is also offensive. Yes. Don't hear. Nindam Bhagavata Srunan Tatparasya Dhanasya Va Tado Napiti Sopi Datyada Sukta Achyuta. If someone hears, he commits offense, and he falls down also. If in some place Vaishnava Ninda blasphemy, Vaishnava is going on, then it's better to leave that place, not to stay there and to hear all these things. Why are you an offender? It's better to leave that. If someone doesn't leave that place, stays there, all his sukrutis are destroyed, and he falls down. And if you have power, then you cut off the tongue of that person who blasphemes Vaishnava. That is true. If you have no power, you cannot do it, better to leave. Leave that place, not to stay in that place. Thereby you will become offender. You will fall down and you will go to hell and suffer there. If you cannot do that, better kill yourself. Kill yourself. Commit suicide. Not to stay there. You cannot cut off the tongue of the person who blasphemies. You cannot leave that place. Better kill yourself. Why shall I stay there? Why shall I live and hear all these things? Such is Vaishnava Ninda. Because Krishna, Supreme Lord, tolerates everything. If you blaspheme Supreme Lord, he tolerates. He tolerates. But if you blaspheme his dear devotee, Krishna doesn't tolerate. It becomes very intolerant. Yes, therefore, though here this Vidura showers his mercy on his brother Dhritarashtra, but Supreme Lord didn't grant him pure devotion, only granted liberation. Dhritarashtra got liberation only. That is said here. Vidura was certainly a liberal to best mercy upon his brother Dhritarashtra, whose past life was very materialistic, but ultimately the result of such mercy certainly dependent on the will of the Lord. Yes, Krishna has to grant, but Krishna didn't grant. Impure devotion only granted liberation. Therefore the Dhritarashtra liberation only. Nothing else.